Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here with Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes, brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. Your go-to place this spring, whether you're a landscaper or a do-it-yourselfer. 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town. OmniTrueValue.com is the website. Also brought to you by Tempest. By WeatherFlow, get the revolutionary Tempest weather system. Join the fastest growing observing network on the planet. You'll find the link to Tempest on the descriptor to this video. Use the coupon code Joe and Joe Weather Show, and you'll get 10% off on your purchase. And they have other weather merchandise as well. So as we kick off this Tuesday, we're pretty much in the same place we were yesterday. As we check out the satellite loop from overnight and this morning, we still have an upper low sitting in eastern Canada. The air overhead is cold and somewhat unstable. So while we'll start with some sunshine, we'll probably see some clouds develop. And there could even be a few spotty showers in inland areas, although I tend to think that it'll probably be less than yesterday. We've got some moisture beginning to gather in Texas and Oklahoma. That's going to be the focus of the next weather system. That'll be moving eastward, and that will start to bring in some severe weather issues at some point. Meanwhile, here's a quick tight look at the northeast. We cleared out overnight, and again, you get those instability clouds that'll pop up later on. Radar at the moment is fairly quiet. We've got some showers in and around the Great Lakes. We also have some showers from Arkansas, western Tennessee, Arkansas, back through Oklahoma, and into Texas. The Storm Prediction Center for today is indicating a slight risk of severe weather in central Texas, along with a 5% tornado risk there. And tomorrow, we have an enhanced risk in central and east Texas with this next weather system moving across the south. And here, too, we have a 5% tornado risk. Now, as far as 7-day rainfalls are concerned, we are dealing with two weather systems, one that'll come probably Friday into Saturday, and a second one that will come for later Sunday into Monday. And between the two of them, we could see 2 to 3 inches or more of rain spread out over that 4-day period. And that extends from New England down through the middle and South Atlantic states, and then west across into the southern plains, and 1.5 inches rainfalls extend back into the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. So this blocking pattern is not only making for cooler than normal temperatures, it is also going to make perhaps for some substantial rainfalls, which some areas now need after the hot and dry weather that we had for a little while back a couple of weeks ago. So here's your upper low. You're going to watch this other system dropping down through Colorado and into Texas, moving eastward. The northern part of the jet stream is going to try to suppress this. I don't think we'll have too much to deal with until later Friday into early Saturday. That storm system, that first one, doesn't really amplify too much. There's a little bit of a short wave right here. And then we have this next weather system that drops down into Texas later Friday into Friday night. We also have a northern stream feature that's going to come in and phase with that and create a rather important storm system for late in the weekend, as we said, later Sunday into Monday as that next system wraps up. And the models are all pretty much in the same place. The European model is actually even stronger with this particular system, wants to bring a deepening low up the coast. So let's just back up. We'll look at what the surface looks like. So as far as the rest of today is concerned, as we said, it'll be fine. Some instability clouds, maybe a shower. Temperatures mostly in the 50s to around 60. Wednesday should be okay, but we do have a weak cold front that'll be coming through, and that could produce a shower Wednesday evening as it goes by. Then we're going to have another high build in on Thursday. I think Thursday should be okay, but we're going to start the process of an onshore flow developing. There's the first low moving across the south and into the southeast. It brings rain up to about southern New England as that first low slides out. And then here comes the second one with that northern energy. And this one, as I said, I think has the potential to be a bit of a powerhouse here and that brings rain for late Sunday, Sunday night into Monday. Some heavy rain, some strong southeast winds, and maybe even the chance of a couple of thunderstorms. So we do have a few things to talk about tonight, which we will do on the Joe and Joe Weather Show, and that will be at 7:35 p.m. Eastern Time. So we hope to see you then.